Welcome to our channel, The Stickers. Today we're putting together this couch that we're sitting on. It is the...
Oh, put me on the spot. Dravin
modular
acacia wood and ottoman, dark brown color.
Yes. And you can get this from WAYFAIR or All Modern. They're owned by the same company, so whichever one is cheaper on. We saw it as a like $20 difference between the two sites, but there's always coupon codes, so we just use whatever site is cheapest with the coupon code, and it costs around $500.
Right.
So it's not a cheap piece, but it's also not super
really
expensive.
Yeah.
So we're gonna show you how to put it together and our review of what we think of the couch, if you should buy it or not. Stick around. Before we get started though, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, as it really helps out our channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little bell to change for all notifications, so you'll be aware whenever we post a video.
They're all labeled by numbers. That's nice.
Are each labeled and a hex. Okay, so this is super simple. We just screwed in the little one, part A, into here, and then you want to use the big screw into all these holes. So it's pretty obvious. We use this to screw it in, but they give you
Just a little hex wrench. This is much more easier. Gives you more leverage. Makes it a lot easier.
Anyone can do this, I can do this, but you do need, your hands get tired screwing it in, so you need to put some pressure. Just this, oh, okay. So that's important to know. We just flip this piece. The instructions just show that this bar behind here faced the bottom. So I knew that, but you still can flip it the other way. So that bar still faces him, but that this fits together because it wasn't actually fitting in. Each piece is numbered, so I'm just taking the little sticker, the number off as I go. And I'm looking at both sides of the wood, as of course there's differences like in kind of color slightly, because it's wood, right? So each piece is slightly different. So I'm just seeing like which side I'd prefer to be on the inside of the chair that you might see. Really, you're not going to see it because the cushion's going to be over it for the most part. Oh. So it does make a difference in terms of which side you use.
Yeah.
Because
The
this
picture shows it. The knot's got to be at the bottom.
Oh, okay. So good point. There's a knot here. It's got to be on the bottom side of the chair.
So that the backing and the chair leg are flushed together.
So this is flushed together.
I'll screw the rest of them completely in, tighten them all the way up once the rest of the chair is together, just to tighten everything and make it secure. It's weird that they kind of just they pin these two in place. I think it should be a little tighter, but we've tightened all the screws and it's just not super tight, so we got a little play in this one. I'll try and screw it a little tighter, see if I can get it. Yeah, right, that one doesn't go any further. That's in his first pose.
So a little OCD moment here, but this is not quite flush. So this is Wayfair All Modern Furniture. We have seen some reviews that some pieces aren't always perfect condition. It is cheaper end furniture.
Yeah.
Still, what, a $500 piece? So I mean,
Right.
it's still expensive, but it's not a $1,000 piece.
Well, did the best I could. So this is essentially what this piece looks like. This is the back. Oh, that's one.
I think it's comfy.
Alright, let's put the next one together. See what we got.
Okay.
Move this out of the way. Do the next one.
I'm just gonna do the exact same thing.
Yeah. This side's the same way. It has a little bit of give in it, a little play in it. That's good.
This one is flush actually, so this piece is much better than the other one. The instructions specifically say, put it all together, but don't tighten all the way until the whole piece is together. So now Jay's going around and tightening every single one. So there's one piece, I am leaving the sticker on this one at the very bottom, but it does say Walker Edition, and it does have the item number, just so in case, because it's a modular sectional, and we ordered, this is a 3-piece modular sectional, we actually ordered the 4-piece, but when you order that, it just basically always orders the original 3-piece and then adds middle chairs to the entire couch. And so just in case we wanna make it bigger in the future, I want to know what the item number is, just in case I lose the instructions with the item number, etc. I'm just leaving it on. You'll never see it from the bottom.
It's a race.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotcha.
I think you started faster.
No
didn't you?
way.
Well, I'll check the tape on this one.
Finally, you found how to use these things, right? Look at how easy this one's going in.
So actually, it's easier to use that than this. So don't use
So that's when you tighten it. You can't get enough torque on it.
I need a break. Okay, so this is the final product. This is the Dravin Modular Acacia and Ottoman set. So this is the 3-piece set that you could buy. Small couch, each side has an armrest, and you get a section. Now we bought the 4-piece, which means it added an extra chair, no end side, so no armrest on it. With the 5-piece, with an extra, you keep getting more of these basically. So you could do it like this. You could make it a leg rest. So you make it like a chase. We could leave it over here. Can you see that? We have company over. One person gets it over here in a chase. You guys have a couch. We can sit together. You make the whole thing a center table. Put a nice little tray on top of it for drinks. Or we could pull this apart. Longer couch, which is nice. So it can have a chase second part or keep it out of the night table. And then if you really wanted to, so Jay is 6'1", so to make him be able to lay down, actually, I can lay down at 5'4" on this. But for him to lay down, we can stick the sectional back. If you want to take a nap, now he can actually lay all the way down. So we like it, we have kind of a small space back here, so it works out pretty nicely. It's very modular, sectional, you can make it however you want to. We can arrange depending on who's over and whatnot. We I did notice this one piece has a few red little dots on, like a red marker, which isn't the best, so it's already stained, which is a little annoying. It is returnable, but you gotta ship back, it's a pain. So honestly, we just noticed we put this part in the back, it's covered by the backrest, and you won't see it. And also one other point is it does have straps, so they actually recommend that you strap it down to the chair, especially if you're in a windy area and you're gonna leave it outside. They're supposed to be weather resistant, so you can leave it outside all the time. We're probably gonna buy an outdoor chest, just to, like, or that storage box to put them in, just keep them for sure clean all the time, but you can take the covers off. The machine washable as well. What are your thoughts, Dave? Think like it?
Yeah, good purchase.
Yeah, I think it's pretty comfy. For the price point, I dig it. So if you want to see the rest of our patio redo, we'll also link some videos in the description below of our fire pit table, as well as when we do a nest I'm going to put here. Check out the link in the description for some more videos of those once those are uploaded. And don't forget to like this video with a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and join us again for future videos.